Are you going to speak, or are you going to introduce yourself? Tell them about your camper? Fine, I'll do it for you, Finley. This is a 2002 Ford F150 with a full-size double bed just sitting on the bottom. We've got a few tarps under there and some nonsense to try and keep it dry, but we know it's going to get a bit wet. We asked for the mattress on Facebook. We got it for free. So all in all, it's cost us nothing. Finley, can you show them how big it is? Finley, come. Finn, what's this? Hey. Hey, cow. Hey. Finley, come on. Up. Up. All right, what's this? Look. Up. Come on. All right, sorry about that. Sit. That's the full size you get. Good boy. It's kind of hard to tell, but you know, he weighs 75 pounds and he's pretty tall. I'm 6'2" and I fit in there perfectly. My feet do touch the tail a little bit, but that's fine. And then we've got blackout curtains cut in half for blinds.